Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. It's so lovely to have you all here today. What we're going to be doing is trying these GIULIA pantyhose for the first time. I've never tried them before. They're like 20 den. Trying to see if they're, I haven't done an unboxing or like a trial thing for a little while, so this would be nice. There's a lot of different languages on here, but I do not see a ton. Okay, it says women's classic tights with shorts. Okay. It doesn't really say much. There's like elastin in this with a polymade. I don't know what that means. Maybe you can tell me what it means. Yeah, so we're gonna try them and see how I like and give an honest review. I'm not wearing pantyhose right now. I'm sorry. And I'm also, it's a little bit unseasonably warm for the time of, or cold, unseasonably cold for the time of year it is. So I'm wearing a more like wintry, not winter, yeah, more like wintry or fall dress. It's really cute. You guys haven't seen it yet. So it's a nice dusty rose. And I know you guys know that I love frillies. And it's like a cotton. It's really soft. It goes up to the neck. I love it. Okay, so we're going to try them on. I had already opened the package because I got excited, and then I forgot that I needed to do it on camera. So I already opened them and I put them back in. So let's talk about it. Their band is a little bit thicker than some. We'll see how it feels. Quality's like okay. I don't know if I've ever tried on Giulia or GIULIA. Somebody can phonetically spell it out in the comments for me so I don't continue to look silly whenever I say it. So you have the boxer short situation with the pantyhose. That's not necessarily my fave, but it is what it is. And yeah, I guess the elastin is pretty noticeable when you're playing with it. There is a reinforced toe. There's no cotton gusset with these pantyhose. So we will put them on. Dun, da, da, da. My toes are gold and sparkly right now. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it's like a clear sparkly, like a gel with gold. Not everything that glitters is gold, but I am. I'm sorry. That was silly. Okay, the feel of my legs are actually really great. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. You know what? I actually like these a lot more than I anticipated. Let's see. So, yeah, the feel, they're really soft. And because of like, I guess the elastin that's in there, really woven in, they just feel like they're fitting perfectly on my leg. It doesn't feel too tight, especially in the toes. Like, this is really nice. I really like them. And they feel silky. They're more of like a matte. Are they more of a matte? I don't think they're high gloss or anything. They're okay. I love them. They're a good color for my skin tone right now. Yeah, these are great. What a pleasant surprise. I was not, gonna be honest, I didn't think that it was gonna do as good as they just did. So heck yeah. So I'm gonna pair this unseasonably weatherproofed outfit with a pair of like velvet heels from Michael Kors. They're just a kitten heel. I think it's about 1.5 inches height-wise. But I think it goes well with this outfit just because, you know, even though it's this time of the year, it can still be cold. So it's more soft and fuzzy and cuddly. But this is what I'm thinking. I'll do some Layla cam. All right, there we go. Hi. Okay, so the outfit, get a nice turtleneck, like mock turtleneck, I don't know. It's nice and ribbed, and then you get the pantyhose. They're really great, super elastic. I actually really like these. Definitely a win in the review department. Okay. So there you have it. You know what I realized I should have been doing this whole entire time is having like a Layla rate system. Gosh darn it. What a missed opportunity. But okay, going forward after this video, because I'm going to come up with a rating system, and then any of the pantyhose I try for a review will be adhered to those specific categories for my rating. I'm actually really excited to do that. Okay, so that's the video. Thank you for bearing with me. I really like these GIULIA like 20s. I highly, highly suggest. Yeah, go out and get them. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching my video, and